Cleaning and washing sofa sets and mattresses at home is a very effective, inexpensive and easy way to give your furniture and bedding a new lease of life. Over time, sofas and mattresses become prone to dust, sweat, food particles and sometimes stains, which not only affect the appearance but can also be harmful to health. There are a few basic steps to follow for cleaning and washing at home to achieve the best results. First, it is necessary to thoroughly sweep the sofa or mattress and remove dust and hair from its surface with the help of a vacuum cleaner. The dirt accumulated in every corner, seam and fold is cleaned using the Crevice tool or upholstery brush of the vacuum cleaner. This step is necessary so that the dirt and dust do not dissolve in the water during washing later and create more stains. Then, a mild detergent or shampoo suitable for the fabric is mixed with lukewarm water to create a lather. The lather is rubbed onto the surface of the sofa or mattress with the help of a soft cloth or sponge, but care is taken not to use too much water, as excess moisture can soak into the fabric and take time to dry, leading to bacteria or mildew. If there are stubborn stains, make a paste of baking soda and water and apply it to the stain. After a few minutes, rub it gently with your hand to remove them. For deep cleaning, some people also use a steamer, which not only cleans but also kills bacteria and germs. This step is especially beneficial in homes with children or for allergy sufferers. After cleaning, excess moisture is wiped off with a dry cloth and the sofa or mattress is kept in a ventilated place so that it can dry naturally. Drying in the sun not only improves the smell but also eliminates any germs or insects. A light fabric freshener spray can also be used for fragrance during cleaning, which provides a fresh scent to the sofa or mattress. Doing this cleaning at home once every 3 to 4 months increases the life of your sofa and mattress, keeps them always clean and makes the home environment healthier. In this way, not only do you save the additional costs of professional cleaning, but you can also work according to your convenience and time. In this way, with common items available at home and a little effort, you can make your sofa set and mattresses look like new in an instant, which increases the beauty and comfort of your home many times over. Cleaning and washing sofa sets and mattresses at home is a very effective, inexpensive, and easy way to give your furniture and bedding a fresh, renewed look. Over time, sofas and mattresses accumulate dust, dirt, food particles, sweat, and even stains that not only affect their appearance but can also impact health by harboring bacteria and allergens. With a few simple steps, you can restore them without the need for costly professional services. The process begins with thoroughly removing loose dirt and debris. A vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment works best for reaching deep into crevices, seams, and corners. This ensures that dust and hair don't mix with water during washing, which could create more stains. Next, prepare a cleaning solution by mixing a mild detergent or upholstery shampoo with warm water. Using a sponge or soft cloth, apply the foam, not excessive water, to the surface and gently scrub. For stubborn stains, a paste of baking soda and water can be applied, left for a few minutes, and then wiped clean. For a deeper clean, steam cleaning is highly effective as it removes dirt, kills bacteria, and eliminates odors, especially in households with children or allergy sufferers. After cleaning, wipe away excess moisture with a dry cloth and allow the sofa or mattress to air dry in a well-ventilated area. Sunlight can also help kill germs and freshen the fabric. To finish, you can use a fabric freshener spray for a pleasant scent. Regular cleaning every 3 to 4 months will not only keep your furniture looking new but also extend its lifespan. With minimal effort, home cleaning keeps your living space healthier, fresher, and more comfortable, all while saving you money and giving your furniture a new lease of life.